Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Oh, guys, I have missed you all. I know I haven't been posting for about 3 weeks, and I'm so sorry. I just wanted to start the year off strong and take a little bit of a break, refresh, get all my things together, and now we are back and going hard. So today we're finally going to be dropping off the Supra. My buddy Ziggy, good friend of mine from high school, was kind enough to help me out on this transmission swap slash top-end engine rebuild and replacing every single thing. Huge shout out to you, Ziggy. I trust him with my car because back in high school, he got a 240SX and he's been a gearhead ever since. Now he's a certified technician and he works on all the homies' cars in his garage when he gets a chance. So huge shout out to you, Ziggy. He doesn't really like being filmed, unfortunately, so it's gonna be difficult for me to get certain clips, but I'll make it work. And guys, I know a lot of you are gonna hate me and say, oh, why aren't you doing it yourself? Well, I don't have the tools, I don't have the time, and I most likely don't have the patience to try to learn everything, because you know me, I'm gonna be stuck on something for so long and that's gonna ruin my whole schedule. The engine is pretty much gonna get a whole rebuild minus the bottom end. We are resurfacing the head, putting new studs, metal head gasket, new pumps, new lines, hoses, everything you can think of. We want to make this car drive the way it should drive. I want to give this car the love that it deserves. Let's go ahead and head over to Ziggy's. He literally lives right behind me, so that's pretty damn cool. I guess the only thing I have to say is, you better not fuck up, Ziggy. I know where you live, fool. Alright guys, finally gonna start the rebuild. Gonna remove the bumper. Coolest thing about my bumper is that it's only 1, 2, 3 bolts here, 10mm, and then the quick release. So we gotta get this off so that my buddy who's rebuilding the car doesn't have to worry about my bumpers and have it take up space or possibly break them. It's finally happening, guys. We're dropping her off. You guys see that? We're leaking some oil already. The car makes really funny sounds, but all of that will be fixed. Today's the day we're finally gonna pull the motor. I'm so excited. I'm heading over there right now. Took the day off from work. It should be ready to pull out in the next hour. So let's go see. Alright boys, we're about to pull out the motor. This thing's ugly. Alright guys, so we can't get out the engine, so we have to go get more wood blocks. Homie Brian's gonna drive me in his FC. Bro, the check engine light? Hey yo, let's see what PBM coils are all about. Guys, it's so sick. I haven't hung out with these dudes since like high school. We all skated, and these are all like my old high school buddies, to be honest. So it's dope that like almost 9 years later, we're kicking it and working on my car. This thing is nice. Andres, where you at? We need you to finish your FC. The motor's already ready to be pulled out. We just need extra wood blocks in case, because I'm on lowering springs with the Supra and the suspension's blown. I wish it was on stock suspension and it wasn't blown so we'd have more clearance, but it is what it is. But yeah guys, 80s car vibes, huh? Bro, you want to trade cars or what?
Sorry.
Finally gonna pull out this motor, see what is up, and tow the Supra back to my house later on. So then we can at least store it there, so then my buddy Ziggy can work on the engine in his garage with all the space that he needs. Drop a like if you're excited to see me finally be doing some engine work, even though I'm not doing it personally, but you know what I mean, like just going into a different realm on YouTube. The motor's out. Thank you, Andres.
Yep, no problem.
Yeah, that's what it is.
You're so cute. Ziggy brought me food. Good shit, bro. Thank you again.
You gotta clean all that shit, bro.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna clean it. Gotta clean this too. Motor's on the dolly. Broke the dolly. My bad. This engine's heavy as fuck. Alright guys, we got the car on the street. About to tow this bitch home.
Oh yeah. Is that a goddamn Ranger, bro?
Yep. No engine.
Dude, I'm down. Oh shit. Put a sweaty on.
Let's drive this bitch.
That's good, no? I feel like they went up higher lately on their prices, bro. The homie.
So we came back. Ziggy already got started pulling a few things apart. He got his wire brush and he cleaned this. Oh, that looks so good. We're probably gonna paint that. That's how it looked before, but worse. We're planning on getting other things cleaned up and painted as well. I really want to paint this, the valve cover. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, shit. Just made it back home. And we got some new goodies for the Supra, guys. Check it out. Got these two big ass boxes. I wonder what it could be. As you guys can see, it's already dark out. We are gonna set up some lights and work on the Supra. I had to go buy a car cover because we forgot to roll up the windows before we pulled out the engine. And it's gonna be raining all week. So this is how she currently is, just under the cover. And we also got this box as well. Here's how she's looking. The Supra has seen better days, unfortunately, but let's get her cleaned up and show you guys what I'm gonna be installing. Look at all these parts. I'm gonna have to find a place to store all of these. All right, let's open this one up first. Oh yeah. Oh. Nice. If you guys don't know what this is a trunk panel for the Supra. It's such good condition. Oh my god. It's still really blue. It has all the covers. Damn. Now you guys know why I need to clean up the trunk. This other big box is the passenger side, and this small box is the actual trunk latch cover. We got a complete, well, almost complete trunk interior. I just need the mat and the piece of wood that goes over the spare tire, and that's it. So this is the trunk latch piece, guys. It's a little dusted, but I'll clean it up. And this one goes right there, behind the taillight garnish. Ooh, look at how dark these are.
Fire.
All right, guys, it's the next night. The craziest thing happened yesterday. Oh my God. I was working on it, and right when I finished up, I was about to show you guys, but I had left my phone with all my camera equipment onto my dad's trunk, and I completely forgot that he drove off with all my stuff on the trunk, and we spent all last night looking for it. I walked like the whole block. He drove back to where he drove to, and we could not find it. And the phone was offline. I couldn't find it using Find My iPhone. I was like, all right, well, it's not a big deal. It's my fault anyways. I wasn't upset about it. I was just like, damn, I just filmed some clips and I wanted to use them. But thankfully, the kind soul that found my phone underneath their car over in another city returned it to T-Mobile. And they were able to contact me and tell me that they had my phone. I had to go over, bring my ID, verify and all that stuff. So huge thank you to whoever you are. You did not have to turn it in. Bless your soul. Oh man, 2021 has been filled with nothing but good luck and positive vibes. So I'm super, super thankful. I was bummed. I was like, damn, how am I gonna get content out for you guys? I have 2 videos lined up and now we're back on track. The only downside is that my microphone, which is like 80 bucks, got destroyed, but I have warranty on it and I think I might just buy another one just to have 2 anyways. But let's show you guys the car. This is how it's looking. I am missing a few things I will show you guys. All in all, I think it looks so much better than before. So check this out, guys. It's a little messy because I put in all of my parts like piping and all that stuff, but I added these as well on both sides, and this is what I installed. We got the speakers on top. They're not plugged in obviously, but I'll get them wired up. We got the trunk latch cover. I was even able to finally install this piece that I had, a little privacy cover, I guess. Still in pretty good condition. The car came with it, so I didn't have to buy it, but what do you guys think? So much better. I'm gonna go ahead and eventually clean up all of this after the car's done with the rebuild. See, there's a bunch of dust here and dirt and all that. I'm gonna delete the spare tire because I don't need it. It's just there for right now. And the only thing I'm missing is the spare tire cover. It's like a piece of wood that goes over here and you won't be able to see any of this stuff. I need the matte cover so it matches the blue. It's like suede and it'll look clean. I need the middle piece that goes there. I believe it's like 2 pieces, and obviously the little tiny covers, and that should be it. I'm so stoked on this. I'm trying to restore this car and make it like, I don't know, just like really close to OEM almost, if that makes any sense. I mean, I plan on putting a roll cage, so I am gonna have to like strip this again someday, but I really want to be able to run all this with the roll cage as well. I just want to give this car the love that it didn't get with all of its previous owners. We're on the right track. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for sticking through to it. I know I didn't do anything crazy. I didn't really do all the work with stripping the motor and like pulling it and all that. That's why I hired my buddy, and thankfully he's able to let me get some content. He doesn't really want to show his face, and that's completely understandable. Thank you again, Ziggy, for all the help that you're doing right now. We're gonna make this car look amazing in terms of like the engine bay, but it's gonna be running so good too. Oh my god, it's gonna be like my best car. But anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content. Next video is on the Lexus, so I know all of you guys have been waiting for that, and it's gonna be it. I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.